hippopotamus. Guys, this is wild boar. This is shiknyak. Đây a주 show. Shiknyak mengerbo a주. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is doing good. First of all, thank you so much all those who are watching my video right now, and God bless you all those who subscribe my channel. If you are new to my channel and if you want to support me, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. So guys, today my vlog is exploring an amazing place, that is Arignar Zoological Park, also known as the Vandalur Zoo. It's a zoological garden in Chennai, India. It is located at Vandalur in the southwestern part of the city, about 32 kilometers from the city center. It is spread over an area of 602 hectares and is amongst the largest zoo in South Asia. The largest zoo in India is the Arignar Zoological Park, also known as Vandalur Zoo in Chennai. The first zoo in India is the Arignar Zoological Park, also known as Vandalur Zoo, located in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. It was established in 1855. Arignar Zoological Park houses 178 species, which include mammals, birds, reptiles, and amphibians, with over 2,300 animals in total as of 2022. The park features various sections for different animals such as serpentarium, an aquarium, a butterfly park, and enclosures for nocturnal animals, primates, and prehistoric creatures. So guys, achido ekta pha jagada explore gina dikhade guys. Idula jagala nam du Arignar Zoological Park ase. Aro iduge Vandalur Zoo inikabi mate. Itu tu Chennai de ase, itu Chennai under. Aro idula zoo du first zoo in India ase. Aro idula zoo du Southeast Asia de bishi tangor zoo na, tangor zoo de itu laka zoo we include ase. For the entry fees details, adult is rupees 200. Children above 5 years and below 12 years is rupees 50. Is 2,000 fine for children below 5 years, no fees. Vehicles on first come. For the children, first serve rupees 20. Every Tuesday is holiday. Teachers accompanying group of visitors can use toilet, rupees 20. Mother's feeding room. For the differently abled persons, RO water, no fees, free of cost. Handy camera, like camera or SLR or DSLR, rupees 350. Video camera, rupees 750. For the zoo run vehicle, for the adult is rupees 150. For children above 5 years and below 12 years, rupees 50. For the lion and deer safari vehicle, for the adult is rupees 150. For children above 5 years and below 12 years is rupees 30. Wheelchair, no fees. sebagai lion apa? Chú cha lo cho tao mình có ra trăm đó chị. Một trăm nè. Flower bông đang sử dụng cái gì cái sao đó. Nhà rất là cái sao đó. Ticket for two people, I'm paying rupees 400 entry fees because both of us are adult. And for lion and deer safari, if you want to go there, then we have to take separate ticket for that. For each person, for one person adult, it's rupees 150. So we'll go inside and take separate ticket. Guys, again we'll take lion safari. We'll visit lion safari. For visiting lion safari, we have to take again another ticket. I think 150 or 200 per person. For to visit lion safari, we have to take ticket here, and we'll go by this bus. For lion safari, again we have to take separate ticket. Got ticket. Kali dia macam lesi. SUV tadi dia nak sini guys. Chatter baca bisi kau try nak buat se. Kau dah sini mungkin nak baca mana. Ini kan nak beri. Asal dah langsung kibalau. Macam ni dia orang tu. Mana? Oh, betul. Macam ni tu ya. Syai ada aja. Syai. Oh, acing jalan ada. Oh. Macam kaya. Lari. Atau lawa atau. Sorry. 약하다. 신이 저 있어. 약하다. 이게 앞으로 이제 붙어봐라 돼. Orang jam-jam bang. Apa jadi tu? Alah, anjam jangan kasih tu. Ay, kau kasih dia nak. Marang, apa sih? It's going inside. Chimpanzee. Baby chimpanzee. Chimpanzee lang nama to. Dia siapa? Giraffe. Giraffe ada apa? This is giraffe. Beautiful. Because of the sunlight. Very strong. Another one. Oh, this is hippopotamus. I'm seeing for the first time. It's looking very healthy. Here's elephant. Guys, this is wild boar. This is shiknyak. Đây 아주 show. Shiknyak mengeroboh aja. 真的看到啊，就shiknyak đây. 这你都看到喇叭的小白马嘞。Crocodiles. Crocodile. Guys, this is water monitor lizard. Last time I left him last 2 minutes. Guys, this bird's name is written here. This is 13 varieties of birds. This is golden jackal. Golden jackal. This golden jackal. Meow. White leg. Guys, finally bongsi le khode ha chi rati laga special ase ito banana khoi the collar. This is collar tonight special. This collar the akuni logo de ha banawa ito. This one will go along with akuni axon or acrony or something. This one will cook separately. This green chili. Acho English na katutupan. English na taman. How do we call this in English? Mayam don't know.
moments later.